Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams Stevie, where we delve into the captivating realm of relationships and emotions. Love, a wondrous emotion, can lose its luster over time, leaving you in solitude. Feeling unloved is disheartening, and that's why it's paramount to nurture the spark in your relationship. I understand the challenges you're encountering. You've shared beautiful moments with an amazing guy, and your feelings run deep. Yet you've noticed a shift in his attention. It's natural to ponder if his interest is fading. I empathize with your pain. I've traversed that path. But hold on to hope, for there's a way to make him yearn for you like never before. I sense your concern. You don't seek to play games, but to be genuinely loved. And I hear you. Sometimes, a touch of enigma and allure can work wonders. It can intensify his desire for you. Understand this. Making him long for you isn't about manipulation. It's about establishing a harmonious equilibrium between intimacy and independence. It's about showing him your worth, your allure. It's about making him realize how fortunate he is to have you. How can you achieve this? Allow me to present 4 counsel that draw upon psychology, scientific insights, and personal wisdom. These strategies are effective for any guy, whether he's your partner, your crush, or a past flame. Ready? Let's embark on this journey together. 1. Maintain a dash of mystery ****. The art lies in not being constantly available. Pause before responding to messages. Let him take the initiative sometimes. This might be challenging initially, especially if you're accustomed to planning everything. However, witnessing him invest more effort to meet you is incredibly gratifying. It's about creating a space for yourself, not always posting or saying yes. Respect your time and set healthy boundaries. This isn't about playing hard to get, but about demonstrating that you have a life full of passion and goals. 2. Radiate confidence ****. Confidence is the beacon that allures him. It's not just about physical attraction. It's about self-assured independence. You're not afraid to voice your thoughts, stand up for yourself, and chase your desires. This resolute self-awareness is magnetic. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-love, leading to an irresistible allure that pulls him in. 3. Be a pillar of support ****. Sometimes, all he needs is someone to listen. Your attentive presence during his challenging moments deepens your connection. Supporting him during his highs and lows cements trust. Celebrate his achievements, be his cheerleader, and show unwavering belief in his potential. 4. Express affection ****. Physical touch speaks volumes. Simple gestures, from holding hands to cuddling, convey affection and warmth. These actions release oxytocin, fostering deeper intimacy. Physical touch not only nourishes your relationship but also uplifts your own well-being. I understand the maelstrom of emotions you're navigating. The array of feelings, sadness, anger, confusion, are valid. Remember, you're not alone. We've all treaded similar paths. These tips, born from experience, are designed to make him yearn for your presence. You deserve a love that reciprocates your feelings. Have faith in yourself, embrace these guidelines, and let your heart guide you. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey. If these insights resonated with you, show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. Remember, you're worthy of love, someone who longs for you as much as you yearn for them. You have the power to make him ache for your presence. Trust yourself and follow these steps. As we conclude, I extend my gratitude to you. Stay joyful, stay healthy, and stay loved. Thank you.